I've got the camera in a different place. It's shining back towards the barn. Normally I have the camera right there to the left of the TV. What I'm doing today, we're planning on taking Hope to a show in a couple of weeks, and her owner was telling me that she had trouble with clapping and crowd noises and that kind of thing when they took her before. And my TV there that I have playing a lot while we're riding, and I've got it up and it's playing just kind of general crowd noises right now. I'm gonna turn it up a little louder, and I'm looking to see if she has any reaction to it. Being outside, she don't seem to be paying attention to it yet. That's all the way up. Looks like she's trying to watch TV. Let's see if we can find clapping. She don't seem too bothered by it. It's all the way up, it won't go no louder. Oh boy, a commercial.
Deluxe cheeseburger, small floats, and French toast sticks for only $1.
She don't seem too bothered by it. Well, that was kind of anticlimactic. Crowd booing. Hopefully we don't have to get used to that sound. You can get upset on that one. One hour of WWE. Then we'll walk around a little bit and then we'll walk back over there. But a lot of that goes back to the things that I have talked about in the past with working your horse, where you work your horse, you get your horse trained so that the horse looks to you for what would you like me to do? Like, that thing is scary. What would you like me to do about it? We've got quite a few months in training on her. Haven't worked her with sound, noises, anything like that in the past. And her owner said that that was a problem in the past before. And it very well could be a problem again. But hopefully not. Let's go the other direction. I'd like to have some big speakers out here connected to the TV so we can make it really loud out here. Maybe one day. Don't have that yet. We're not going in the barn yet. We're almost done. So I really came out here expecting to have something to work on, and there really wasn't anything. She was good. So instead of coming up with something, creating something to work on, I'm going to reward her for being good. So she's going to have an easy day. I'm going to step off, and that's going to be it for her for the day. We're going to take her to a show on March 8th. It'll be a Louisiana stock horse show, and probably me and Raven will both show her in a couple of different classes. We really don't have that figured out just yet, but we're going to show her in a couple of classes, and I see what happens. And I'll get some video of her there, and see what happens, and we'll talk about it from there. You try to prepare or be as prepared as you can be before you go, and I feel like we're pretty prepared. And you just see what happens, and whatever you learn at the show, you come back home and work on it. And that's how I approach all the shows. The shows are a little bit of a test, and you see where you are and come back home and work on the things. And you hope you do good, but if you don't, you learn something no matter what. So this is Hope. I'll put a link here somewhere to her playlist. Until next time, thank you for watching.